Quaternary ammonium compounds, more simply known as quats, can be found in disinfectants used by restaurants, hospitals, and homeowners. Viking pumps are designed to handle the many forms of quats. Quats are derived from oils and fats. These raw ingredients are further processed into long-chain hydrocarbons and amines, which are the building blocks of quats. Most notably used in disinfectants, quats can also be used as surfactants, in fabric softeners, and shampoo. Here are a few quaternary ammonium compound pumping solutions. The 4127A series are stainless steel pumps with cartridge lipseal and other seal options. They have capacities up to 320 gallons per minute. The stainless steel 1127A series features Viking's Opro Guard seal, designed for sealing high viscosity liquids. They have capacities up to 335 gallons per minute. Finally, the 4724 series is also stainless steel with high viscosity and abrasive resistant seal options. They have capacities up to 110 gallons per minute. These are just a few of Viking's quat-capable pump options. To learn more about Viking Pump and the manufacturing of quaternary ammonium compounds, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.